Nordea Business Credit Card Finland pricing explained what you get for your money. If your Finnish business needs a credit card that offers both rewards and strong protections, the Nordea Business Credit Card could be an excellent choice. Most companies overlook its travel and purchase benefits, but they can save you a surprising amount in both cost and stress. The card has an annual fee of 75 and earns reward points on all purchases. Bonus points are typically given for travel, office supplies, and fuel, helping your business maximize everyday spending. Points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, gift cards, or cash, giving you flexibility to use rewards in a way that suits your business. Travel insurance includes medical coverage, trip cancellation protection, and lost luggage coverage, making it ideal for employees on business trips. Purchase protection and extended warranties safeguard office equipment, ensuring that essential tools remain covered. Supplementary cards are available for employees, and Nordea's reporting tools allow you to monitor spending and optimize rewards across your team. This makes expense management simpler while ensuring the card delivers maximum value. In conclusion, the Nordea Business Credit Card Finland is an excellent option for businesses seeking a combination of rewards, insurance, and expense management. While the 75 annual fee is modest, the combination of points, protections, and employee-friendly features makes it a valuable tool for businesses with regular operational and travel expenditures.